Do you have Mario Legos and you have the action figures that actually, you know, interact with your child, such as this Mario and Peach? You can integrate it with a tablet or iPhone under the Lego app and register by linking it using the Bluetooth. So if you're wondering what this Bluetooth button here on the top of the power button, that is to sync it with the actual application, and you can interact now further with the app by playing with each other. It lets you pair up to 2 character. What's cool about these interactive Lego devices is that on the bottom you have these sensor that can recognize any barcode that you hop on, and it's pretty fun. If you lay it down, it knows it has a proximity sensor. It will go to sleep. For example, I'm laying Peach down here and she should fall asleep in a brief moment here. So let's go ahead and hear her say, if you heard that, she said, "I'm sleepy," right? You can see her eyes slowly closing. And now she's snoozing. How funny is that? And we have Mario here that we're currently updating. It's reconnecting while she's sleeping. And if you move her, you sit her back up, she'll wake up. But of course, if you don't move her, she'll shut down in a few minutes. So let's take a look at some barcode. For example, here. Let's wake her up. Okay, she's awake, her eyes is open. I wonder what that was for. Let's go get another one. Let's see what other barcode we can find. So let's go ahead and here's Browser Jr. He has a barcode on the back here. So if she stomp on him, she get a coin. So if she kills him, she gets multiple coins. So if you're interested in either of these, definitely check out, link in the description. So it looks like Lego Mario is disconnected. Press the Bluetooth button in the back here. So I'm gonna do that. Is he out of battery? Looks like he shut down while he was being updated. So I'm gonna restart this process here. So to turn it on, you press on the power back here. Okay, right now it's connected to Mario again. Okay, it looks like it worked. It did update. It just did restart. So what happened to Peach? Oh, you have to connect her. All right, so how you do this is, you saw that I added another player. Press on this Bluetooth in the back, and then you see on the display, now it's connecting to Princess Peach. Now both of them can play. So you have 2 players. You can see here on the top icon here, 2 players. And then you can add your set by playing with real Lego using these interactive character. Of course, this guy, he can also kill Bowser Jr. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Catch you on next time.